Hey everybody, Mr. Siegel here with another math lesson review video. Hope everybody is doing well. I hope you guys get a chance to go outside this week. I think I heard that rain is coming in the next couple of days. We're going to be comparing fractions today. We taught you 3 different ways to compare fractions. I'm going to quickly show you all 3, and then whichever method works best for you is the one you're going to use. The first one to do is cross multiplication. If you have 2 fractions, let's say 4/6 and 5/7, if you want to see which is a bigger fraction, you multiply the bottom across. 6 times 5 is 30. 7 times 4 is 28. Since 30 is bigger than 28, 5/7 is greater than 4/6. Okay, so that would be, in this case, 4/6 is less than 5/7. Remember, your answer is always going to be greater than, less than, or equal to. Another way to do this is finding a common denominator between the 2 fractions. If you have these same 2 fractions, you are going to find multiples of 6 and multiples of 7 and find where they have the same multiple. You're looking for the least common multiple. So what are the multiples of 6? Well, they're your times tables. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. And I'll stop there. It goes on and on forever. And the multiples of 7, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. And believe it or not, they don't share a multiple until 42. So what you need to do is make 2 new fractions, both with 42. How do you get this 6 to become a 42? You multiply it by 7. So you're going to do the same thing to the top, the numerator. 4 times 7 is 28. How do you get this 7 to turn into 42? You're going to multiply that 7 by 6. So you need to multiply the top by 6. 5 times 6 is 30. And then once you have common denominators, you see which one has a bigger numerator. That is the bigger fraction. 30/42 is greater than 28/42. So 5/7 is greater than 4/6. And the last method is just using fraction sense. If you know a benchmark like 1/2, when you look at a fraction, many of you can tell whether the fraction is greater than 1/2, equal to 1/2, or less than 1/2. And it's pretty easy, if you can understand that, to compare the fractions to one another. If one fraction is 3/11, you know that's a lot less than 1/2. If it's 10/11, you know that is greater than 1/2. You would automatically know that 10/11 is greater than 3/11. If you have any questions, chat. Use the chat feature. Chat Mr. Siegel or Mr. Sinise at any time. You're going to try some of these on your own. Remember, whichever method you want to use. And good luck with this, and we will see you soon.